of the press meet. Today we have been called a press meet regarding the recent incident in West Karbi on 12th of November night at Sabuda. Some of the miscreants or some of the unidentified persons who just come and destroy the recently laid foundation stone for construction of Forest IB at Sabuda, led by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Chief Executive Member of Karbi Autonomous Council. So the Karbi Students Association vehemently condemn the incident, and we, the Karbi Students Association, will urge the central government and also the police administration to settle this issue, how this miscreant come and attack and destroy all the area where the foundation stone laid has been done on 12th of November. It's a very unexpected incident that has happened in West Karbi Anglong, Assam. So regarding the border issue of Meghalaya and Assam, it's a very sensitive, everyone knows. The Meghalaya and Assam has sharing 885 kilometers of border issue, and 885 kilometers of this border, 12 points has been identified as the most disputed area. And as per our information and as per our understanding, out of 12 disputed area, 6 points has been identified and 6 points has been tried to solve by the central government, forming the regional committee for both the Meghalaya and the Assam state. And the border issue is the subject of the central government. So this is an appeal from the Karbi Students Association to all the Khasis brothers and to all the Meghalaya government regarding the border issue, that we should not create such a hatred among the tribal community, because the issue of border is a central subject. We should respect and honor both the state government, and because the negotiation is still going on, and the land of Karbi Anglong is already notified in 1951 government notification. So we are saying that the border of Karbi Anglong, like in Block 1, Block 2, we cannot call this a disputed area, because we have a proper demarcated as per the government notification in 1959. Because everyone has been very much aware that Karbi Anglong district was formed in 1951 and the Meghalaya state was formed in 1971. So see the difference. This is a big difference. 1951, the Karbi Anglong has formed the district, and in 1971, the Meghalaya has created from Assam. So there may be some disputed area between the Assam and Meghalaya, but we understand that bordering to Karbi Anglong with Meghalaya, this cannot be called as this disputed area, because in 1951, this is the government notification, and we should honor and we should respect the government notification. From Meghalaya side, the Meghalaya administration cannot claim that this Block 1, Block 2 and PCR is an integral part of Meghalaya. They cannot claim that. And Assam has already declared that Karbi Anglong was formed in 1951, and according to that notification, we have properly demarcated our area. So we cannot say that in bordering to Karbi Anglong there is a disputed in border area. So this is a request to all the Khasi brothers, and this is a request to the Meghalaya government regarding the border issue, that we should not create and we should not instigate our people by claiming that this is the Meghalaya land, by claiming that this is the Meghalaya habitat area. The border issue is the subject of central government, and we hope that the central government will act very seriously to solve this border issue, because more than 30-40 years we have been facing a very big strategic regarding this border issue. Every year we used to have a clash, and we don't want the communal clash. We don't want like creating the communal violence between the Khasi brother and the Karbi brothers, because we have been saying that the Khasis and the Karbis are brother and sister. We are coming from the same ancestor. So regarding the border issue, we should not create the violence. We should not disturb. We should not inharmony our district. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member Dr. Tuliram Ronghang has been inaugurated there and lay the foundation stone there for construction of forest IB. Because as a responsible CM of Karbi Anglong, she know very well, Dr. Turira Ronghang know very well that the area where they had laid the foundation stone, this is a very integral part of Karbi Anglong. That's why officially she went with all the MACs and all the MPs and all the MLA. Officially they have inaugurated the forest IP there. Because they know very well. They know very well that this Saboda area is the integral part of Karbi Anglong and Assam. And after laying down of the stone for construction of the forest IB, some of the miscreant is trying to claim and trying to say and trying to create inharmony, trying to disturb the situation in border issue. This is a very much depressing. We Karbi Students Association would like to express. So the Meghalaya government and the Assam government should handle this issue urgently, because this issue has been a very long pending issue. So if this cannot be solved in coming days, it can create a very bad incident regarding the border issue. And I would like to request DGP and also the Superintendent of Police West Karbi Anglong to just deploy some of the police force there, so that in border issue, in border area, we can have a peace and harmony. We, the Karbi Students Association, with the objective of protecting our border and with the purpose of identifying our border, we have